Good morning to all. In today's class, we are going to see one case study on if-else ladder. First, we will consider the problem statement. The problem statement are help the controller of examination to calculate the grade for the end semester exam. So, the exams to be conducted for 20 students for 3 subjects, and for that you write a program. So, for the following statements, collect the exam result of individual student and calculate the mark obtained of each student and put them in the conditional statement and get the grading on percentage of the students. So here we will they are giving the statement of mark of each grade. So how you can solve this means using the if else ladder we can solve this set of condition statements. So what is a if else ladder? It is a conditional statements. So the conditional statements are it is classified in the C's. It is a if else and either condition true or false and switch case statements. So in the if else we are having a simple if and if else statement and if else if and nested if. So these are all the 4 classification in if else. So now we are going to solve our problem statement using the nested if or if else ladder. So the main statements in the if else ladder is that, so in this ladder structures, that is conditions are evaluated in top to down manner. As soon as the true condition is encountered, the statements is associated with the is executed. The rest of the statement is omitted. So if all the conditions are false, means the final else statements is executed. If there is no final else and all other conditions are false, there is no action is takes place. So these are all the 3 main decisions we are going to do in the if else. Either the condition is true means that the corresponding statement is executed, otherwise the final statement is executed. So no one is true means the any action is not taken place. That is the concept of if else ladder. Now first we will see the what is the syntax of if else ladder. So if we have a test expression, so the expression is true means the statement below that true is executed. Else if we are going to check the second test expression too. So if it is true, the statement of 2 statements is executed. Else if the test the expression 3. So if it is true, the following statement is executed. So either finally all the condition is false means the final else statement is executed. So this is the syntax of if else ladder. So the solution to the above problem is, so first we have to get the mark of each students. So for that we are going to declare the mark of 3 mark statements, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3, and finally and also we are going to declare the total variable. Total is used to store the summation of 3 subjects, and based upon the total and finally next we are going to calculate the average. Based upon the average, the grade of mark is executed. So this is our we are getting the mark using the for loop. So here in the problem statement, the 20 students mark is to be calculated. So for that the for loop is start from I is equal to 1 and I is less than or equal to 20 and I plus plus. So inside the for loop we are going to get the 3 mark of each students. So once the for loop is executed, we are going to calculate the total mark of 3 things and also find the average of that mark. So this is the input we are going to given into the if conditions. If the percentage is greater than or equal to 90 means we are going to print the grade is yes. If it is else means the percentage in between 80 and less than 90 means we are going to print the grade is A grade. Else if there is a mark between the 70 to 80, we are going to print that is a second rank, and based upon that is calculated. So every condition is fail, the fail means the else statement is executed, the else statement is the particular student is fail. So these are all the four condition, if condition are used to calculate that grade mark. So finally there is no statement is matched means it there is no action is take place, it is automatically comes out from the loop. So this is the solution to the above problem for calculating the mark of 20 students, to calculating the grade of 20 students from the three set of marks. I hope you understand how that if else later is executed in the given example. Thank you.